Right now, it's showtime.
Hi Dale.
Morning. So it's been a while since we've done any kind of Tom versus Dale or Dale side of things, just because the car it's been getting ready for paint, which we're going on Monday to drop off. But the guys from JVC have popped in this morning to deliver some audio goodies for the car, ready for when it is painted, so it can all go in and make stuff sound awesome. So we've got James from JVC who's going to talk us through what we've got for the car. Hi James.
How you doing, Dale?
It's like the first time you've ever met. Oh, hi, nice to meet you.
That was a smooth transition. Maybe just been down there and just raise up slowly. Just come up from the basement.
Appeared.
That would have been cool.
Yeah.
Like a lift.
So we've want to get involved in this project. We've brought some product along today that we think's pretty suitable for the vehicle. I don't know, do you want to go through some of the products?
Yeah, I know a lot about paint and car care. I know nothing about audio.
Okay.
So this is going to be an education for me to find out what stuff we're going to be putting in and why we're putting it in there and what it's going to do for the car.
Okay, so I'll start off the easier option, speakers. So we brought a different range of speakers.
Yeah.
Different selection and sizes of speakers. So we got the 1720 speakers, which is the 13 centimetre speaker, I think it is. And they'll be for the front doors or the rear doors.
Cool.
Depending what you want to do, because I think it's a bit unknown of what you're going to fit where at the moment.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do is turn up with all this to Phil at the install company and then run.
I mean, speakers are speakers. These are the JVC mid-range speakers. So we do have slightly lower ones and slightly higher ones as well. So you'll see there's no depth to them at all, and also fluctuating as well.
So location-wise, that makes it super easy to put them into the door.
Nice grille as well, so it's easy to fit.
Like I say, the good thing is there's never been any audio in the car whatsoever.
Right, okay, so start from scratch.
Exactly that. So we've not got any kind of old things in there that are going to mess things up. We can start brand new, put it all in there.
So something with the speakers, speakers always sound great if they've got a bit of an amplifier on them as well.
Okay.
I mean, the head unit will run them, but to get the maximum out of them, we don't want to amplify them. So we've given you a 4-channel amp as well.
Oh, sweet.
To run all.
So is that driving more power to the speakers?
Driving more power, yeah.
Okay.
Which is what you're going to get better sound, more volume from that as well, which is good. So it's 4-channel, so it'll run the front speakers and the rear speakers.
Oh wow, cool.
Which is ideal, depending if you go for components or the coaxials.
So there's no, just sticking 6x9s straight to the back of the stereo like back in the old days.
No,
that's a shot fired.
That's a shot.
Yeah.
Question: when people have like loads of speakers, do they have to have more than one amp sometimes?
Yeah. So when you see a car that'll have sort of 5 or 6 sets of speakers, you normally predominantly have to have some high output amplifiers on it as well.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
When people are competing as well, they go to major lengths.
Yeah.
Was it fill? I've seen people fill the doors with like cement.
Yeah,
seen that before?
Massive amount of sound deadening. So we've actually given you a load of sound deadening as well,
sweet.
which we've dropped off as well. Because that does help as well. I think you've got quite an oldish vehicle.
It's an old tin box.
Yeah, so it'll rattle around a lot. So you do want to put a bit of deadening in there as well.
Vibrate the windows, Dale.
Yeah.
I don't want to break the windows.
They can
It'd be
vibrate
hard
them
to find.
And like when you're at a show, you like play music really loudly and really obnoxiously.
If I grow my hair, will I be able to do that?
Yeah.
I mean, ideally, this system I think is going to be loud.
Okay.
It'll probably be good quality sound as well. Yeah, I mean, it's not going to sort of.
It's going to sound nice inside the car. I don't want everyone outside the world to hear it.
Which is what you want.
Yeah, exactly.
You're not looking to rock up somewhere and deafen everybody. You're just looking to get to an event, drive around, and have some nice sounding music.
Yeah, definitely. It's got to be a nice. I mean, the theme with the Merc is to be the ultimate cruiser.
Yeah, which is this.
Exactly that. I want it to be enjoyable.
The system we put together here, I think, will allow you to do that.
Sweet.
So there's your amplifier, your 4-channel amp, which will run your 4 speakers, and then this is one of our sort of new Halo products this year from the JVC brand, which is our under-seat subwoofer, which is predominantly what we call it.
Now, whenever I've envisioned or seen subwoofers before, it's this kind of big old box.
Big box in the boot, isn't it?
12-inch box in the boot. People are moving away from that now. People want their boot spaces. People don't want the
like
hassle of running.
LEG Renault 5s.
This is the way the market is moving, and we've now introduced more of these products into the range. And as you can see, it's a small, discreet subwoofer. You can see the size of the box.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Just by the size of the box, you can see the size of it. It runs an 8-inch driver inside, Now ideally you want to fit this under a seat of a car, or you can still fit it in the boot if you wanted to. Now again, this is going to probably cause Phil some headaches, but
Yeah.
I'm sure he'll be able to manage to get it in there somewhere.
Yeah, of course, it's Phil. And I've seen just out of naivety, so what's this?
So this is the base controller.
Yeah.
So on here you can actually adjust the gain, adjust the frequencies, and adjust the phase as well.
So it's not just turning everything up to 11.
No,
it's getting a balance.
Yeah, it's getting a balance because different music and different sources will have different levels.
Okay.
Everything is included in the box. And what we're seeing now is a lot of people now fitting these to original head units. So it comes with all the wiring, enable it to fit to your original head units. If you buy a brand new vehicle and you want to have a bit more bass in the vehicle,
Exactly that. I mean, stereos in modern cars.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Yeah, the world is changing.
Advanced now.
And the car's changing. So you can see the size of it there. But the key thing about it as well is, you know, when you got a subwoofer, you want it to be a solid construction. So if you feel the weight of that there.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? Yeah, it's so foreign to see. That's a subwoofer.
Yeah,
That's your bass.
What you do is with the bass controller, when you turn it on and off, you can actually really hear the difference of having it off and having it on. Yeah, just
that's
the
cool.
bass controller. So it's great to be able to use that.
Yeah, definitely. And like I say, that can be put under the seat. I can put anywhere.
Yeah, under the seat, in the boot. I think you might have maybe some armrests going on, so Phil might be able to house it in the armrest.
There is a massive armrest in the back. So if we can vertically,
Yeah,
It's probably about that size, isn't it?
Yeah.
You might be able to mount that somewhere quite cool. And
Yeah. I mean, I think we should all apologise now to Phil in advance. Just.
Well, we've done our bit, giving you the goods.
Yeah.
Dan, you've got to talk to Phil about that.
Yeah, it's my problem to do.
Yeah,
Maybe that's another episode where we send Tom.
Yeah.
Oh no.
No, don't do that. That's not a good idea.
Just
killer.
keep unpacking a lot of stuff here.
Yeah, that's good.
It's an unboxing video.
Patrick said YouTube is all about the unboxing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so.
And then I think we move on to the most, I think the most exciting product for you.
Yeah, because when you guys first talked to me about the Merc, I think you kind of thought that I'd go for like a nice kind of retro.
Singled in, yeah.
Yeah.
The Mercedes has probably got singled in stock. That's what car of that era would probably come with. But you know, predominantly our range now and cars are what we call doubled in.
Yep.
And you can see this is the product that we've given Dale for this.
It's a TV.
It's a TV. It's a small TV inside the vehicle. So do you want to unpack it there?
Yeah, definitely.
And then we'll go through some of the bits on it.
This is when you see like how hand-fisted I am. Just tear everything up.
So instantly you can see it's a small box. You can also see that it's a small product as well.
Yeah, definitely.
There's no depth to it at all. Now that's a real benefit for lots of different things and lots of different reasons. Dashes on cars.
Light as well.
Dashes on cars are getting more complex, so you don't have much depth in them now. So because of that, you know, you don't need the CD player.
No.
When you don't need a CD player, you can reduce the size of the radio.
Well, what about my Now 24 CD?
How do you listen to music? Most people now, the way you listen to music is changing. You stream music, so you have. I mean, now you can download an app and you can put music onto your phone that way, and you stream it across. So you don't actually need to buy CDs.
So I can buy Now 24 on my phone
if you want to, yeah.
and play it through all my JVC gear.
What year do you think Now 24 was?
Oh.
I don't
That's a
know.
little quiz, isn't it? Keeping it.
They never went in the right era though, did they?
I don't think
Well, like 1924?
Yeah.
People doing the Charleston.
So, power this one up so you can see it.
Oh, see.
So let's power this one up.
With the magic of.
Do you want to take the bit the bits off the
Can I?
Yeah, go on.
Well,
Hang on.
I'll take this off. I'm not going to take that off until the car's done. Look at that.
That was close. It says Meguiars on it.
Go look. Full branding.
All branding. So yeah,
This isn't a special Meguiar's edition that people.
It is, yeah. It's a special
Yeah, it is
Meguiar's
special.
edition, yeah.
Order now.
Yeah. Well, no, it's not something that
Selling dreams.
it's not something that consumers can do.
Okay.
It's something that obviously as a brand we have the ability to change the units in somewhat.
You've done that before. I saw on Tom's video.
Yeah, we have the
You put
ability
it on
to
the
change
screen.
to change it slightly. Obviously we've done it on here. It just gives it a nicer feel when you turn on a vehicle. Also your branding on it.
That's
Obviously
cool.
It's a Meguiar's vehicle.
That is cool. Yeah. I need to be reminded it's Meguiar's and not mine.
Yeah, so we
Just
move
a
round
demo.
to this side now to sort of show you a few features of the unit, Dale. So you just plug your phone in. Here I'm using an iPhone. Obviously Android is compatible as well for Android Auto. So instantly you can see an icon's appeared. You've also got your tuner sources, your other sources there. You click on Apple CarPlay and you're straight into
That's good.
an application. And you can see all these applications here and apps that you can go straight into. You've got radio station apps, music streaming apps, as we mentioned before.
I use Google Play.
Yeah, the streaming services are becoming more and more popular.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's how people now listen to their content is by streaming services. So if I went into, say, Google Maps, which is now a navigation application you've got in the vehicle as well.
Yeah.
So if you're going on a cruise, driving around, you've now got navigation in your vehicle as well, which you probably didn't expect to have as well.
Not at all.
If you're being a low rider.
Yeah, so you can actually see.
I hope so.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
On Google Maps, you can actually see Meguiar's on there straight away. Then you can go in other applications, so I can go into music ones, messaging apps, obviously have safe driving. You can make hands-free calls as well.
And like I say, even with the Android phone, it's just plug and play.
Yeah, you just plug it straight in, and you can see I've just used your white lead plugging into the rear USB socket.
Sweet. That's nuts.
Nice.
Really cool.
You could put it in German because you've got a German car.
You could put it into
I could, but I don't know German. Schnell!
This is amazing.
It has a rear camera input as well, so we've also given you a rear camera.
Oh, no way.
So when you put the vehicle into reverse, the picture will display on the screen itself as well.
That's cool. Again, sorry Phil.
Yeah, that's have to
Why
run
are you
a rear-
going to put that? That's going to ruin your nice chic lines.
Well,
No.
what happened to the badge? Oh, that's broken.
It's a really, really small discrete camera that's going to, obviously Phil's going to have to fit for you.
Yeah.
But it is nice, it's a big vehicle. So, when you want to park in a space, you haven't got parking sensors, which most modern day cars have. So obviously having a reversing camera, which just has the ability to obviously display it, is a great added feature as well. I mean, this is probably, year to date now, this is probably our best selling multimedia unit from the JVC brand.
Wow, okay.
So it's flying out the door. It's a spec that people want, they want CarPlay, they want Android Auto, they want DAB, they want tuner, they want connectivity.
Yeah, and they don't want to physically, they don't want to be handling their phone or anything like that.
No,
Obviously
they don't.
safety
So with applications on it.
Yeah.
And the small neat package at the price point it is, it's really doing really well
and
for
it's
us.
so much smaller than I was expecting.
Yeah.
Depth-wise.
Well, I mean,
but like you say, it doesn't need to see
you've got
CD
to
player.
create something to make it fit in your vehicle.
Yeah.
It's absolutely ideal. You won't take up too much space. And
I'll tell Phil that it's ideal.
There you go.
I'll tell him that it's ideal. It'll be fine.
Because that'll make him not kill you.
He won't kill me.
Yeah.
It's going to sound nuts, and as soon as it's done, I'll bring it up to you guys. So you can...
We got June, isn't it? It's been unveiled.
Yeah.
Is that
June
beta,
22nd.
Yeah.
Players Classic.
Excellent.
No pressure. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, no pressure.
It's fine.
No pressure at all.
Good.
Yeah,
I'm happy for you,
stoked.
Dale.
Yeah.
So I think you've got a neat little system here that's going to work and sound great inside.
It's going to be nuts. Yeah, it's going to be really cool. Yeah, I'm very excited. Thank you very much. And there's obviously, you guys bought in a load of hardware as well, like sound deadening, and leads
all
and
the
stuff like
cabling
that.
bits and bobs to make it fit as well.
Yeah, that's really very appreciated. It's going to be really cool. Don't get me wrong. This is me on a very happy
really
level.
excited for
Yeah, I tend to. I'm never lower than this, but I'm never higher either.
Right.
But inside, I'm the epitome of inside. I'm dancing. Yeah. But no, this is very cool. I'm very excited. Well, thank you very much.
Thanks, Dale.
No worries.
Thanks very much.
And I'll see you on the flip side.
Team Dale?
Team. Yeah. I mean, I don't. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Right now, it's showtime.